它现在还有坐船的，你看那船开过去了。人不要动我啊！
Taylor Rock is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural wonder of the world, the Horseshoe Falls name derives from the crescent or horseshoe shape of the crest line, and the city of Niagara Falls in all its natural beauty continues to be a quality spot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is classic. The wet flowing floating on the water is dissolved in limestone and is created artificially from the rest of the earth. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet. The estimated crest line is 2,000 feet or 670 feet. And the depth of the bridge
那没办法，你自己看一下吧。可能阿美加前面已经拍过了吗？对焦的问题，也找个对焦点。过了就加拿大这个。瑞芬，看彩虹。
Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls at the southern end of Niagara Gorge, spanning the border between the province of Ontario in Canada and the state of New York in the United States. The largest of the 3 is Horseshoe Falls, which straddles the international border of the 2 countries. It is also known as the Canadian Falls. Formed by the Niagara River, which drains Lake Erie into Lake Ontario, The combined falls have the highest flow rate of any waterfall in North America that has a vertical drop of more than 50 meters, 160 feet. Horseshoe Falls is the most powerful waterfall in North America, as measured by flow rate. Source: Wikipedia.